In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily build a Google Analytics 4 report that enables you to see which pages people are arriving to your site from. So this is really informative if you've got any kind of search engine optimizations efforts running. And the data that you'll obtain from this report is really going to help you to guide your content strategy, determine page optimization priorities, and conversion optimization efforts. So let's dive straight in. So first of all, you're going to come across to the Reports tab here. And from this option, you're going to want to click the acquisition title and then select traffic acquisition. So once that report's loaded, come over to the right hand side and click on the pencil icon here to customize the report. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to click into the dimensions here and we want to add a dimension. So let's go ahead and add that. And then from this alphabetical list, we want to select landing page. So we'll go ahead and select that. And then using the three dots on the side, we want to set that as default. And what we can also do is just pull that up to the top there. Okay, that's great. So then once we've got that in place, we then want to go back into this section. And from here, we can select metrics. So if there's anything else that we want to include on this report, we can do so. One of the things that I noticed which was missing from this report, which was included in the old Universal Analytics, was new users. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that. Again, you've got this drop down menu, so you can just select any additional metrics that you want. And then you can quite simply drag and drop those into whichever order makes most sense for you. We're going to go ahead and apply that. And then from there, we're going to click Save. We want to save it as a new report, otherwise we're changing the existing reports that's there. So I'm just going to go ahead and call this landing page acquisition. Probably spelled that wrong, my apologies. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. So that's the report created, but what we want to do now is just make sure that this report is really easy to find and navigate to. So we're going to add it into the main menu and I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to go back into the Reports tab here, but this time we're going to select from the very bottom option, Library. And then what we want to do is we want to look at the life cycle collection. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit Edit Collection. And then we'll see, you'll be able to scroll down here and the report you just created should be the last one because it's the newest report that we've created. So all we're going to do is we're just going to drag and drop that, and I'm just going to pop it into the acquisition tab here, so we know that's where it was created, and hit Save. So when we open our GA4 tab now, under Acquisition, you should be able to see that new report and access it really quickly. So as you can see, that's only taken a couple of minutes just to set up. And now what this means is we can directly see from this grouping here, if we just change that, it should actually be changed to direct grouping. So perhaps that's something that I've done wrong there. Just go ahead and check that. Okay, so it didn't for some reason, we didn't hit apply there. So that's good to know. So you have to hit apply at each stage. So let's just go ahead and add that in again. So landing page, we want to make it set as default. I'm going to drag it to the top and I'm going to hit apply. And we're just going to save this as save changes to the current report. Yep, because we want to see that. And then when we go back, we're going to be able to see, yeah, users by landing page. So as we would expect, our home page is the most visited page. That's pretty standard. But as you can see here then, the pages that are bringing in most traffic for this particular site are blog articles. So we know now we've got the list of 10 URLs that really need or require our most urgent attention. So where can we optimize those articles for conversions? Where can we optimize those articles for SEO purposes to make sure that we're really getting the most opportunities out of these articles and out of the pages that are driving the most traffic to our site. Anyway, I hope that helps. Hopefully we'll have more GA4 video tutorials on the way to you soon. Thanks, and I hope you've enjoyed that.